In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool art generation AI that is even better than Midjourney and it is completely free to use. And this is really good to create great images. So definitely make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to not miss anything. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But now let's get right into this. Alright, first of all, what we want to do is we want to go to Google and here we want to search for something called Crayon AI. So just search for that, Crayon AI, and then this website will pop up right here, crayon.com. So go ahead and click on that and then we'll be on a site like this. Now we can start to create our images. So here we have to put in our prompt, so that's what we are going to do. So let's just start with saying create a nice, and now it will do it for us. So let's see what it comes up with. We'll have to wait a second to get our result, but it is really great. And as you guys can see, it came up with a broad selection of different pictures with a purple, pink sky and some palm trees at the beach. And I think all of these look really nice. I especially like this one, the first one, so we can just click on that and then look at it, and then we can download it and do whatever we need to do with this. So now let's create another picture. Let's maybe come up with another prompt. So I just came up with this prompt: create a fantasy world that is colorful and has a forest with a house in the middle. So let's click on create. And as you guys can see, this is what it came up with. A fantasy world with a forest and a house in the middle. So this is really, really great. I especially like this one, or even this one is great. I think they're all pretty great. I really like them. And this is, safe to say, a really cool tool to create these pictures. Now let's do one last thing. Now create a ship. And as you guys can see, we have a ship sailing the sea in cartoon style, which is really, really great. I really like this one, for example. This looks really cool, but also the other pictures are great. And yeah, this is really cool what this AI can do. So definitely check that out if I were you. And with that said, definitely make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.